Sure bafethu ningazazisa ukuthi nina ngabobani.
Mina nguSikhumbuzo waSikhakhane. Ngibuya eSneak Park eDonkop. Ngikhulele khona actually. Ngikhulele khona lapha eSneak Park eBlock 1.
Okay.
Big boy wakamakhanya ngibuya eSneak Park but angikhulele eSneak Park mara ngihlala eSneak Park based Snake Park full time. Mhlambe sengina more than 20 years ngiseSneak Park. My team eSneak Park is a Fathers FC obaba. #asnaval.
Okay ke nina bafethu ibhola nilazi kanjani? Nilazi ngokulibukela or ninalidlala before?
Angilidlale kakhulu ibhola bami bengistar bangazo bazokutshela kuTexas. Bebengistar ngakhona benganandi nickname player mina bebengibiza le boss eground namhlanje akunaplayer balibiza le boss eground bengistar ngakhona. Angilidlalile ntwana.
Hayi mina ngidlale kancane kancane. Ngiyalithanda kodwa sengithanda ukulibuka ngoba la ngidlule egroundini. Ngiyalandela nje ngokulibuka ngoba ngilithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ukuthi nje mawungaphiwanga awuphiwanga ebholini.
Okay ke bafethu iFathers nina nijoine nini noba since iqale 2013 yo?
Fathers ngijoine since 2021.
2021 2022.
Hayi mina ngijoine 2021.
Mina ngisakhumbula unyaka.
Wow, sawukhumbula unyaka.
Unyaka mina izongishaya manje sekudala.
Okay, yini le enenze ukuthi nijoine iFathers?
Fathers i-team yaseKasi kahle kahle Fathers i-team yomphakathi. Team yaseKasi lethu i-team eGrand i-team ewuncedo emphakathini waseKasi. Shothi si-team sidlalela nje just fane ukuthi masithole imali seswini imali sinokuyofdonate ezikolweni school shoes sanitary pads mhlambe kunomuzi waseKasi ekungathi udonseka kanzima bahluleka ukuyimela ngenyawo zabo sinokufika sishiya impuphu nyana ini nani into ezinjalo mhlambe umphakathi nje unceda umphakathi waseKasi na kwamanye amakasi hayi ukuthi sigcina eSnake Park kuphela nakwamanye amakasi mabasithogayile lokho ukuthi sinenkinga ini bomazola siyafika sincede nakhona hayi kasi kuphela.
Hayi makubhekisha ke useyibekile leyo kakhulu. Mina into eyangithandisa iFathers ukuthi we give back to the community whatever senzayo sibuyela emphakathini waseSnake Park. Senze sure ukuthi laba abaswelayo siyabaxhaxa njengoba seshilo Big Boy angisaphindi into ayishilo. Ukuze sekhapha lapha yonke into kodwa ke injalo ukuthi nje mina ngayithanda ukuthi we giving back to the community.
Okay. So nina since nikhona lana kuFathers amatrophy angakhe niwatholile?
Since sikhona thina kuFathers 2 trophies mina engiyaziyo since kuFathers.
Nami injalo kusethe 2. Ngiyoqala lena engakabikho kuFathers.
Oh okay ke bafethu manje nina ileague le enidlalayo esiFathers ibizwa nidlala ileague or i-team yama tournament kuphela or kanjani?
Sidlala ileague besidlala kwenye before lesa sidlala kwenye bebebiza keep fit manje siphumile kuyo sikwenye bathi Soweto Master League mara Soweto League Masters asekho kule keep fit.
Oh okay, so nidlala ileague nama tournament or ileague kuphela?
Tournament si-on siyawadlala njenga last besePitori Shaka sodlala i-tournament yasePitori le Shaka
Last
sabuya Kagiso Swane eManzeville siyadlala all over ama-tournament lapho si-invite khona nathi mawusenzile siya-invite ama-team siyawadlala ama-tournament i-team edlala i-league nama-tournament.
Manje ke bafethu nina niyini kuFathers?
Singamafani thina kuFathers bafo. Singamafani. Mina ngifani kuFathers.
Yeah, mina kuFathers before ngizoba a fan I was the head of DC yeFathers. so gcineni but ngicina nge-stepa down ngingena kumafeni njengoba ngiyifeni but iFathers njengoba sisho ukuthi i-team yomphakathi fana nokuthi nathi nje siyabanikazi bayo i-team yethu sonke kuyo umafeni ama-player ama-official nomphakathi wase-Snake Park.
Oh, njengoba nithi nomphakathi wase-Snake Park kahle kahle iFathers i-team enkulu eSnake naseSoweto nje.
Ya yona
yaziwa
lapho abangazi khona yaziwa blind ngoba sihamba sikhona ukuyodlala abamaPitori Valley siyafika kunalapho esingafiki khona yaziwa yona sho hayi kancane yaziwa nangezenzo zayo
and ngokwaziwa ngakhona futhi yenza ukuthi neSnake Park yaziwe naseSoweto Deep Soweto sesiyaziwa Deep Soweto ukuthi kuneSnake Park kuneFathers eSnake Park yinto futhi enye siyenza ukuthi sithande iFathers ngoba isihlanganise namalokishi amabhayi ukuthi sazane nalo malokishi lawo into futhi leyo yenza ukuthi Soweto sazane sonke ungabi nama-gangster ukuthi mangifika kuphi kwelinye ikasi bayazi ukuthi hayi yathi lena siba nayo emagrawundini ungabi strange yabona welcome you because most of people aseSoweto abaseSoweto beze bathanda amagrawundi so makudlalwa siba sonke lapho.
Okay, since nina niyabantu abebhola ne iSnake ningathi ukuthi sikhiphe ama-player maphi maybe wewadlala ku-professional or
emaningi ama-player aphumile eSnake Park before singaqala ngabo late Oscar Oskido abo Brathulani Mabaso right now sinabo Mpepe sinabo Vilakazi maningi lentwana nje kasi vele ibhola nje likhona va kune club eGrand nje yasekasi la esinokuhamba nayo bathi ama student student fana ukuthi i-development yasekasi iyo kabhaya ama-player abhaya aphuma kuyo aya kulama club amakhulu
njengoVilakazi
OPJ
ya obrigado.
Oh, okay
Sosisana.
Okay bafethu, so mase singenelela ke kuFathers njengoba ngathi ngiyabona ama-states wenu anikakathathi league and vie nokuzwela lapha kuma-fans ukuthi hey kuneyinkinga nyana kuma-management kuma-player okuphina kahle ningathi inkinga zeFathers lezi esibhekane nazo yini?
Yeah, athi ngiqale please ngiqale mnganami inkinga yabona lapho inkinga ziba khona konke ama-team yonke i-team ayikho i-team engabi nenkinga kodwa inkinga ngiyazi ukuthi mina egcineni inkinga kumele isolviwe kodwa zeFathers siqala ku-management yakhona awekho okuningi i-management ayibelula kuma-player i-management ayingangeni ku-coach kuma-player I mean understand ama-player kumelanga ama-player angithi ucoach ethimini uba yi-one ba ya understand and ucoach ma yi-one kumele i-management ikhulume mangabe kunento ebhedayo ama-playing kumele ikhulume nobani no-coach angithi hayi ukuthi i-management yolanda ama-player ikhulume ne-player individual no management ayenza umsebenzi wakho uthi i-management umsebenzi wayo umuntu nomuntu ku-management azi umsebenzi amele awenze mangabe i-team iyabheda egroundini kumele i-management ibize ucoach ihlale phansi nocoach ikhulume nocoach akuthi wonke umuntu ku-management uzolanda ama-player yilo nto leyo enye engiyibonayo ukuthi sometimes eyenza ukuthi ama-player abe ne-confusion you understand abe ne-confusion because of what baphojwe wonke umuntu ikhojwa wonke umuntu
wena Bhikisha so ngathi inkinga zakho zibonayo yini kuFathers?
Inkinga zethu man this time eziningi man you know our team the way team eGrand blind noma ngizothi we-team yenza into eyiningi for umphakathi nami mara inkinga zethu no rafu ziningi sho ukuthi angeke ngithi from management phela from management emaplayini siney'nkinga zebhanda akuzwana kahle kahle mina ngibona ngakhona yibona club manje ngibona nase-performance yayo ingasekho grand ingasaperformi njengabefore ngoba bekwabona ithimu njengoba ubafo ashilo laphambi kwamathi i-management kumele ibe nephathayo edlalayo ethimini i-management ayidlala iphathayo ku-management ucoach adlala iphathayo ucoach adile namaplayer but namaplayer wethu nawo wena Bram njengoba ukuthi thatha ama-masters abantu basebenza grand bayahola baneyimali namanye ama-player aletha i-team down ngoba sometimes ama-player baholile i-weekend kusasa siyadlala abantu balale ngo-4 bazofika ekuseni vela yokubatshela abantu abadala baphila impilo yabo kanjani enye nayo enye into enokusikosta nokuthi ama-player angathendi training sometimes ama-player wapitch egrawundini ne-management iyashoda emani inkinga zethu ziningi Bram angatshela evana njengoba ngisho ukuthi namanje game kuyokuya ngami yabona kubekuthiwa nje singathola i-meeting sisonke siyithimu from management players nama-fans njengoba sisho ukuthi club yomphakathi wonke umuntu abe khona sikhona ukucazululela ziningi iy'nkinga ezikhona but zingaba right masihlangane ukuthi wonke umuntu azolazi iphutha lakhe ukuthi kumele asebenze ukufika kuphi nobani asebenze ukufika kuphi ukuthi sikhona ukurana le team le besiyirana ngakhona before okwamanje sinenkinga ebhabhulwa ngoba nama-player vele akusabantwana abancane ngoba babemizi banabantwana abanemizi abo angeke umcontrol umuntu kumele alele esikhathi bani ahambe esikhathi bani angahambe esikhathi bani but engistressa kakhulu emaplayer ama-player wethu awasigayi 100 egrawundini into yenza ukuthi angasigayi 100 kakhulu egrawundini indaba ukuthi abajimi and always thina sine-session on every Saturday you must have a training session Sunday siyadlala but manje abona ama-player awajimi and ama-team edlala nawo sure wona ayajima alandelela babasishaya ngane nge-basic stamina ama-player awasana stamina balala ekuseni badakiwe kumele bafike egrawundini kumele badlale bakhathele labantu indaba zotshwala vele umuntu omdala ngakumtshola ukuthi impilo yakhe ayiphile kanjani azisebenzele ngoba siholisane kuFaras akunamuntu ohola iklabhu yomphakathi ukuthi sifuna ukuthi yonke into esiyenza siyenze lo mphakathi sibe uncedo phakathi komphakathi nokuthi abantwana abancane abakhulela phambi kwethu babe yisibo kube sibe yisibonelo esihle ukuthi man nawo ubhuti basekasi bayenza into ezi-right nathi awuthi silandeleni endleleni e-right ngoba nabo ubhuti basekasi every weekend bayahlangana emagrawundini kudlalwa ibholo inini kuyablonywa kuyaphuza babhakela iy'moto zabo into e-right ukuthi abantwana bangacabanga kodlala ukuthi athi ngiyoba utsutso ngiyobhema ama-drugs babone ukuthi mani yazi ngiyahalela ukufana nabo bhuti bheka baney'moto basadlala ibholo bayiblomela grand abayenzi into ezi-snacks anyway Bram akunalapho iy'nkinga ezingekho khona but I hope kuzolunga but into engicela nje ngathi kumele sibe ne-meeting plus uJune vele i-GM last time esibambile mhlawumbe it was early January this year vele sathi sizohamba enye ngoJune vele uJune sekafikile futhi kumele sibuyele ku-AGM sihlaleni phansi siyobonisana siphelele sisonke mhlawumbe iy'nkinga zethu zingakhona ukucazululeka
ya ngoba vele to add on that vele it's very hard ukontrola amadodemizi and not to say ukuthi the way thina sibona ngakhona we don't know ukuthi management ibahandlela kanjani ama-player you understand asazi ukuthi ibahandlela kanjani ama-player because of as people yasho ukuthi angeke sizicontrola kubaba but ma uyiplayer ubaba onekwakho uzazi ukuthi uplayer kumele ube discipline into esifana kuma-player wethu eFaras i-discipline and ne-favoritism ukuthi ama-player angawahlukaniswa ama-player ukuthi ama-player so ngoba wona ahamba ne-member ye-management mabe ngekho emagrawundini sekumele bona bathathelwe ekhanda no ama-player kokuqala nje awa-treated the same nama-management yethu ayihlukane uyazi ukuthi kuyadlalwa kusasa ahambe nama-player ayenayo etshwaleni uwabinika yiphi ingqondo la manye lawa angayenzi konto leyo adopta tiphi style ukuthi hayi yabona kuyafana mos noma thithi sazenzela into eso sayibamba nathi sibadala hayi ukuthi nabo abafuna ukuyophuza abafuna ukwenza yini they think ukuthi man tomorrow we have a game and then after game we can drink sibadala you understand so I-management ayihlukani kuhamba nama-player yona i-management ayibe discipline. That's why mina ngiqale mangitshela ngathi i-management ine-problem because our management people to go out with those players bayophuza utshwala nawe. Do you understand? So what is going to happen with-Fathers lapha? Thina le team le thina njengamafan esisupportayo financially, physical. You understand? So I support the financial, physical. Why I'm saying financially, we bought isn't of the Fathers. Snake came and the Fathers, snake keepers the Fathers, Sinani, numbers the farmer shot the Fathers. Let us see by it is their accounting the Fathers. So now they must respect us. You only manage myself. Now I respect my supporters the Fathers. Because we cannot put the center into when I the other way around. Mina manga to play mina ngi fan. Angeke ngikani play the Fathers ngithinga utshwala osambe so jive na no. Angeke ngaze ngiyenze neliwana ngelikutshela lonto leyo. So i-discipline iqala lapho. Kumele kube ne-discipline from management to players.
Okay, ayanganizwa bafethu. So nina manibhekile i-solution e-important enga-change le team le yethu ibe ilento lesifuna kube yiyo yini?
Ayike mprogramazi mina ngathi ukuthi team ibuyele lapha ibikhona. Mangaqala i-management yethu uqala yenza into ezi-right yonke. Bayenze into ezi-right bonke babambisane. Azi into iqala from phezulu. Mani bambene phezulu. Nala enzansi abantu bazokhona ukubambana bazobona le wena bambene ngakhona phezulu nabazokhona ukubambana la enzansi. And yabona secondly yabona khona i-parental reserve about ama-player mele respect i-team ayazi ukuthi kusasa uyadlala inini. That is true. I-player malidlala ibhola pram asithi bangaphuza utshwala siyazi bayaphuza abadala labantu pati umuntu akabe nesikhathi uyazi ukuthi uyadlala ngo-10 obvious naye kumele azigaya isikhathi ukuthi hayi mangicala ukuphuza sathane mhlawumbe ngaboma-3 nami ngaboma-latest 10 kumele ngibe ngilala ukuthi ngizolala isikhathi esi-enough ukuthi kusasa ngizovuka ngifresh. Umuntu angafuni ukulala after 2 after 3 after 4 ngo-10 ufuna ukuzodlala ibhola. Uyabona ukuthi obvious lo muntu akalalanga and obvious utshwala busasemzimbeni. Umuntu akabe nesikhathi esinafu sokuthalala sithi bangaphuzi bahroti labantu ababamizi bazisebenzela imali zabo leyo bazithenga utshwala ngabo but abahloniphe ke ukuthi nabo bazikhethela ukuthi bafuna ukuba ama-player bafuna ukuba ama-player fathers bafuna ukudlalela i-team so abayenza into right for i-team ukuthi bahloniphe isikhathi se-team nabo isikhathi sabo banaso esabo vele. Uyaphuza umuntu isathani angabuqala emini mara yazi ukuthi konje kusasa sidlala ekseni ngo-10 awuthi nami ngizama ukuthi elinyana ngilala ukuthi ngizovuka ngifresh umzimba wami ngikhona ukuthi mangifike egroundini ngikhona ukuthi ngiperforma ngoba ekugcineni ibhola ngeke ulicheat program. Yonke enye into i-training is important ukuthi ama-player ethu kumele attende i-training as before bebe-attend bekenza zonke izinto bezenzeka kahle. Mina I don't know ukuthi ku-change up yonke ethi kumele siqale vie sihlaleni phansi AGM sikhulumeni mhlawumbe khona bangaphathekanga kahle yiko sekuso mhlawumbe inkinga ziningi but masingahlala phansi wonke umuntu akhofa isifuba sakakhulumela into emphathakayo sikhona ukuyilungisa sindluleni kuye sibuyeleni kulento besiyiyo program.
And futhi i-management mangabe iyahluleka ucontrol this situation esibeshilo ukuthi le i-team yomphakathi babekwe yithi ama-fan nomphakathi ukuthi babe management abayibekanga and nokubasusa kwethu bazosuswa yithi ama-fan ne-community. So leswa sithi asali akunamali ephumayo ukuthi bayabhadalwa labantu ababhadalwa. We are all volunteers to the team. Volunteer to the team. We buy things for ourselves ukuthi support the team, sithenga i-trips the team, amajezi ayikipa nani the team, ama-sweater whatsoever. You understand? Nathi ubone ukuthi nathi as ama-fan siyayithanda lento lena eyenzakalayo and mase siboka ukuthi akusebenzeli kahle i-management izokhishwa yithi njengoba yafakwa yithi ezokhona ukushintsha imele bona ngeke bayishintshe. Mase siboka ukuthi la angithi yezwa namanje u-people uyasho ukuthi hayi management kumele kuyihlale phansi nini but angeke sibancenge naqala senze meeting sibambele iSolomzi. Okay, I was not there but ngayithola ilokhuzana i-feedback ye-meeting.
This is important.
You understand? Ngayithola i-feedback ye-meeting and then so I thought something will change but up to so far ayikho into eshintshile. Understand nabo mabe simamele besizwa right now as we speak i-management nama-fan basizwa ukuthi sikhala ngani thina simele ama-fan nje sokumele simele ama-fan wethu ngoba i-Snake Park sibanjwe yibhola sonke siyalithanda ibhola mara they must not feel comfortable la bahleli khona i-management yethu if they don't give us into right. You understand? Bangabi comfortable. Ngoba so bakhipha bakhishwa yithi futhi. Esibafakwe yithi.
Okay bafethu. Ngeke ngawuzwa mina kancane lapha ama-rumors ahamba kancane niyazi ukuthi indaba zeFathers zinjani. Abantu bayakhala kakhulu ama-fan. So nina ningathini ukumotivate ama-fan ukuthi babambe umoya wonke lama issues lawa nizowalungisa since nina kuubhikisha noSikhumba kuyini committee ama-fan emela ama-fan vele ningabakhuthaza ngokuthini?
Mina bengathi ama-fan asihlale njengoba sihleli njengoba bakubona nathi sihlale size ema-groundini noma kubheda kanjani thina let's go out there to support our players and then let's forget about ama-issues ama-management thina let's go there to support our players. The more we give them support is the more njoba na last supported we were not happy Mr. McGowan last week we were not happy we support yethu but we understand ukuthi why bakwatile nabo abantu ama human being and then we sacrifice our time ukuthi se stadium not ukuthi ayikho into esikhulu ukuyenza or esingazenza siyayikhatha izinto ukuthi asamsu support namajita and then until lento le but I think no izosolveka especially njoba sesilana no I think izosolveka and then nabo bazoqala nabo i-management ikhuphula amadlebe understand ikhuphula amadlebe but what I want to insist on and they could make before cela i-management ingangenelele ema-playing akubo coach odila ngama-player i-management ayidile ngo-coach ngabikho i-management izothatha abangani bakhe uyobuchomi mayifika kufanele nasemsebenzini bafa ngafaka mina ngangena emsebenzini ngifaka abantu abayi4 but mase sifika esipanini siyasipana awusichomi yami sabachomi masishayisa esipanini asekele ubushomo bunjalo lobo budangerous ukuthi naseplaying noma silale ngo4 wena ngoba benginawo uzongena ube first 11 no we don't do that asesiba abantwana abancane no sibadala sonke kufanele sibafo njengoba ngitshela ukuthi kufanele sibadala akekho umuntu ongenabantwana la from kuma players the way sibadala ngakhona sinama family but that's why it's hard ukuthi utshele iplayer ukuthi kumele lenze yini because of akusama under 17 akusama under 20 abo baba bemizi that's why singabo baba